Hello and welcome back friends in another episode of Learn Agro. In today's episode I'm gonna show you how you can grow a lot of mint in a very compact space, just as you see in the video, just like that. Nice, neat, clean and tidy, and with very few things to consider you can have this thing at your home. And let's get started. I'm taking a plastic bottle and making holes with the soldering kit. You can use any hot iron nail or any pointed surface to make the hole in the bottle. Once the bottles are ready, now let's talk about the soil. This soil is the garden soil mixed with the 50% of compost. If you want to add the sand on it, it's completely fine. The sand will help the soil to be loose and the mint root can grow even faster in that soil. Now fill all the sand inside the bottle till the top, and once you fill it up, dip it into the water so that the soil will absorb all the water and it's ready to be planted. Now talking about the mint branches, take 2 to 3 leaves from the bottom and keep like 3 to 4 inches of stem naked so that it can be poked inside the hole of this water bottle. And selecting the mint branches from the supermarket, try to get as fresh mint as possible so that you can have the maximum result as possible. Once the soil is completely soaked, now it's time to plant all those branches inside this bottle. So just like that, take the branch, poke it inside, and the branch is ready to grow on its own. All it required is that you need to keep the soil moist all the time. Quick tips over here to get the fresh mint branches from the local market. Generally in the stores or the local market, they keep it for 3-4 days and the mint branches are wilted and they have less successful rate of regrowing. But if you talk to them when they bring their fresh lot of the veggies or the mints into their store, and you can just grab on the same day or the next day, it should be fine and you can get the more successful result. And if you do not get the successful result in the first time, try 2 or 3 times and I'm sure you're gonna get the best result. So once you poke all the branches inside the bottle, now keep this bottle in the shady area for a couple of days and then you can bring it into the sunlight. And after 2 weeks you can see all those mint has grown so nicely. And my apologies that I could not show you the in between videos, but you can see the result that how nicely this mint has been growing. All I was doing is watering every other day in a couple of days, giving lots of water to them, and they're growing so nice. It is true that all of the branches will not grow. You can see the few dead branches, but still I get the maximum good result, and these mints are almost ready to be harvested. So let's harvest them. So most of these mint branches are around 7 to 8 inches tall. Now I'm gonna cut them into half, around 3 to 4 inches long. From the top I will cut it off, and the rest 3 to 4 inches from the bottom, they will start growing new branches. Almost every leaf has a node, and from the leaf 2 of the branches will appear from the either side of the leaves. It's so simple. They don't require much of your attention, but just make sure that you're gonna water them and give them good amounts of sunlight. So here you go. After I harvested the mints, you can see the bottle is in good shape, and also I get the good harvest out of it. So this is how you can simply get good supply of mint at your home. We don't require all time a lot of mints, but it's good to have it just in case here and there when you need it. So before you go, I have a questions for my lovely viewers. What do you think the mint root does in the harsh winter? Do they die off, or do they still survive? It is interesting. Please do let me know in the comment. I'll be there with you. So this is all for today. If you like my video, please do share it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting video. Thank you and see you soon.